The OREI DPHD-912 is an 8K DisplayPort and HDMI audio extractor, built for anyone who needs total signal flexibility in a single compact device. Using OREI's DPHD combo connector technology, one input port automatically detects and accepts either DisplayPort or HDMI signals. No manual switching, no adapters. It supports all 4 signal conversion paths: DP to DP, DP to HDMI, HDMI to DP, and HDMI to HDMI. Video performance reaches up to 8K 30Hz and 4K 120Hz over DisplayPort, and 4K 60Hz over HDMI, with full HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG pass-through. Audio extracts simultaneously to both optical SPDIF and 3.5mm analog outputs, supporting Dolby Digital, DTS, and LPCM stereo. CEC pass-through, heated management, and a rugged metal enclosure make this plug-and-play ready for any professional AV or home theater setup. The OREI DPHD-912. One box, every signal covered.